How to see your Google account password on your iPhone. So if you've forgotten your password, sometimes this can actually be saved onto our iPhone device. Now to check this, we need to open up the settings application. You can then scroll right down to the bottom of this page and click on apps. Then scroll down again until you see an application called passwords. Now once you've found this application, just click on it like so. You can then scroll down to the bottom and select open passwords. Now you may need to use your Face ID in order to open up this application, and then you can use the search box at the top of this window. You can then just go and search for the word Google, and this will bring up all of your different Google accounts and all of their saved passwords. So simply click the account that you want to view the password for, and then you can click on the password field in order to reveal this password. Now if you can't find the password here, then what you can do is go and open up an internet browser. I'll just be using Safari, and you need to make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now, if you can't sign into your main account because you've forgotten the password, then you can try signing into a secondary Google account if you have a second account. We're then going to click on our profile icon in the top right hand side, click on Manage Your Google Account, scroll across this navigation and click on Security, scroll right down to the bottom of this page, and down here at the bottom you'll see Password Manager, click on Manage Passwords, and then you can use this search box to once again go and search for Google. You can then click on the Google website, and here you'll find a list of all the different Google accounts you have saved and their passwords.